Okay, here we are in present day, 2026 March. We're gonna go back almost a year ago. I've got a whole bunch of back footage to go through of assembly on this Cobra. So this one we're gonna go over the fuel cap and what it took to put on there and the parts that Shell Valley provides. One thing that I didn't call out in the video is I believe they sent screws, but I wanted Allen head stainless steel, so I went and picked some up at my local shop. So anyway, let's dive right into it.
Hi, my name is Caleb, and welcome to Finleycraft. In this corner of my channel, we're going to dive into the automotive world. I've owned and worked on many different types of vehicles over the years. So join me as we build, repair, and have some adventures on the road and in nature. I hope to earn your subscription, and please like and leave a comment.
Okay, let's talk gas filler here. All right, so Shell Valley provides the Le Mans style cap, and this actually comes off. Has a little base here. I'm not certain how the other replica companies do it, but they provide this little filler, and this actually screws onto this, and this is the cap. There isn't an internal cap on this. And then there's a gasket that goes underneath that. It slides in there. And I've already got it cut out over there, so let me show you that. Okay, so I've already cut the hole out here. Centered it the other day and cut that out. And then there's the filler neck there. So basically, this guy's just gonna go in there and fit right down into it. And then I'll adjust the angle of this to match kind of the originals here, but it's pretty solid. So that's what it looks like all together, and then I may throw that on the polishing wheel and get it good and polished up. And that's all there is to that. It's pretty straightforward. Okay. right. All right, just need to get some screws. Get that secured on, polish this, and it's ready to go. All right, a quick run down to the local hardware store. Picked up these little screws. That'll do. These last two are actually kind of tight to get into there. Yeah, that one's pretty. before I do permanent installation on this, I will I'll polish that real good. I'll polish both these pieces real good, including probably the top of the screws as well. Huh. That must have 2 entry points. Or like a goof, it started in the wrong spot. It does have 2 entry points. Yeah, for now that's fine. When I go to do the final, I'll get it corrected.
Okay, so current day again. You'll see I corrected the orientation here. When you go to install it, you just have to make sure that the how you put in the base here matters on what orientation it will open up at. So I don't remember what the originals were, if it was front, back, or sideways, but this is where it's at right now. I'll go take a look at some pictures and see where we end up at. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope it was helpful for you.
Thanks for watching.